Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, please click the like button. Today I will show you how you can pass data between two activities. So let's get started. Let's create a new Android Studio project. Let's select empty activity. Let's give a name to the project. Make sure to select language as Kotlin. Let's wait for the Gradle to finish. Design our activity. Instead of this text view, I'm going to use an edit text. Add a hint. This would say enter your name. I'm going to change the width to match parent. Then I'm going to add some margins. This would be 16 dp. Let's give it an ID. Add a button. Width is wrap content, height is also wrap content. Let's give it an ID. This would be my button. The text would be send data. So let's add some constraints. This would be aligned to the bottom to the parent, and the top would be aligned to the bottom of the edit text. Let's create a new activity. Let's select another empty activity. Give it a new name. Design this new activity. Let's add a text view. This text view will contain the data that we will pass to this activity. So width would be match parent, height would be wrap content. Let's give it an ID. Let's give it a default text. Give it a gravity. Center. Let's change the text size to 30 sp. Let's give it some constraints. So let's go back to our main activity and let's go to our onCreate function. Let's first check if the edit text is empty or not. So I'm going to use a function text utils. Then I'm going to reference our edit text. And this will be text utils dot is empty. So what does this trim function does? It will remove the extra space, and if it is empty, then we're just going to create a toast. The context would be this. This would say please enter your name. If it is not empty, then we will create a new intent, pass in the context, then we will give the name of our activity that we want to launch, class.java. Then I'm going to use the scope function provided by Kotlin, that is also, and this is where we will pass our data. This would be it.putExtra. Since it is a type of string, need to give a key. The key would be username. Then we will pass the value. Add this here. and we just need to start our activity. All of this would happen when we click our button. So let's add an on-click listener and paste this here. So let's go to our new activity. Let's create a variable of type string, and this would be nullable. So let's go to the onCreate function. Let's check for the intent. If it is not null, username is equals to get string extra, and we need to pass in the key that we mentioned. So this key should be the same as the one that we specified here. Change the text to username and run the app. The edit text is empty right now, and I will click the send data button. It says please enter your name. Let's enter a name. Just click on the button, and here we have Sheldon. So let's change this. Give it a name Penny. Let's try it again. That's it for this video, guys. It was a quick video. I hope you learned something useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.